It is day 6. Day 6. It is a little nasty outside, rainy, and it is only about 49 degrees. So today is demo day. We have got tons of stuff done today. Got mom and dad here in the background. We have got the floors torn out. We've got the carpet torn out, which a very good thing we did. It was pretty nasty underneath that carpet. Not a carpet fan, I'm a tile fan, probably because a lot of the places we've traveled in Mexico, so I just love tile. I just love tile. So much easier to clean. When something spills on it, you just mop it right up. Tile, it will be on the floor. Wood grain tile is going on the floor. Mom, what'd you say? You agree? Tile is much better, yes. These guys are working it. Run into a few leaks. Good thing is, hubby is our master roofer, so it is coming from the chimney that needs new flashing. No problems, only solutions. Right, boys?
Yeah.
Decided to go ahead and demo the bathroom since the trailer's already here. Testing my bro here a little bit, but let's see how it's done. Get it. Everything always has to get dirty before it gets better. Piece at a time. Look at it, there it goes.
Okay, that sucker's heavy.
That's how it's done though, right?